Hi guys, welcome back to Moonlight Mermaids. You are with Katie Bella, social media executive of Moonlight Mermaids, and today I am going to be talking to you about veneers. A lot of people, very young people, do wear veneers, and a lot of celebrities wear veneers as well. So the reason why I decided to have veneers was because I have always hated my teeth, always. I went through 3 years of braces and pain and God knows what else. By the outcome of that, I still wasn't happy. So I did some research and I realised that, you know, veneers existed and that was probably the best route for me to go down. I did my research on different companies, but the company that I went with was called Secret Veneers. I found Secret Veneers through Facebook. As usual, like I did with all the others, I did my research on them. I checked their reviews, I checked their before and afters. And the thing that really drew me in was actually the price. So with other companies, I was looking at roughly between £500 to £700. But with Secret Veneers, it only actually cost £299. And that to me was a lot cheaper and I was really happy to pay that. But again, that was just for one top row. When you order from Secret Veneers, there's no dentists or anything you have to deal with like that. So the process of Secret Veneers is once you've made your payment, you then get sent out a impressions kit, and that come to me within 2 days. Because you do have to do it yourself, but they do send a fair few of the putties, is what it's called, that you mix together to make the moulds. They said a few of those, so if you mess up a few times, you have the backup of more chances to be able to do it. But also if you do run out of all of them, you can message them and they will send you more out. The only thing you have to do is just pay for the postage to send back your moulds to them, which is quite cheap in the UK. I think it cost me something like £2. The moulding process was quite easy for me. I happened to get mine done the first time. They have instructions and they're very easy to follow. I found them very helpful. Once I shipped them off 4 weeks later, which is roughly between 2 to 4 weeks, I happened to send mine around Christmas period, so that wasn't really the greatest move. So I ended up waiting 4 weeks, but I got them in the nicest presented box that you also get these veneer chewies. You also get a cleaner for it and a little device that helps you clip on to pull them back off. It also comes with a little protector case, so when you take them out at night you can store them in there so you know they're safe. So there's a list on their site that explains why you should choose them, and I'm just going to read that out because there's a fair few things on here that drew me to them. It says, what sets Secret Veneers apart? We make the thinnest clip-on veneers on the market at 0.4mm because the denture look is not cool. We are the only company that employ dental technicians to make the product. All other companies are not dental trained. That was one of the key points for me, knowing that they are actually dental trained. We are the only company that doesn't charge you full price again if you lose them or want a fresh arch or another colour for events. Once you have purchased your first Secret Veneer, the second veneer is only £100. We are the only company who give you a free professional sonic cleaner to keep your veneers sparkly and hygienic. So overall, I am beyond happy with the results of my veneers. I would definitely recommend this company to anybody that are looking for veneers. If you would like to check out this company too, I will leave the link in the description below. So these are them out of the mouth. And I'm just going to show you before. Now I'm just going to show you how easily they just pop in. Ta-da! So a bit of a disclaimer, the first few days of having the veneers in, I did have a lisp, which is expected because anything foreign in your mouth has to adjust to. But it does tend to go away. It may come back for a few letters, but it is what it is. I'm more than happy to have a bit of a lisp and my teeth looking the way they do over what they looked like before. I also will mention that I went with the whitest of the white, as you can tell. They do other shades of white, so again you can choose your colour. Do not hesitate to leave a comment below and I will reply to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also click the notification bell so every time we upload you get notified. All of our social medias will be on the screen now. Have a great day. Bye. You dream for me some paradise. Tell me who you see, 'cause I think
to me, but does this work? Only 'cause we never say what we think, waiting for the perfect way. Time